Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, thank you for stopping by. So today I want to try a new dish, okay, which is called Kothu Parotta, okay. It's called Kothu Parotta. So I'll be trying it for the first time. I've never tried before. Actually I wanted to eat roti canai, but I was advised to take that one. So anyways, let's go and see what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys how they prepare it, okay. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. It's a happy family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning. I appreciate you guys so much. You're the reason why I keep creating videos. Anyways, let's go right away. So now I want to start preparing the Kothu Parotta. So I'll show you guys what's going on here. So guys, this is Kothu Parotta. I can't wait to try this. This looks so delicious. Let's try this. You can see it's in the family of roti canai, but you cannot even believe there's roti canai there. Then all those cucumber, chicken, vegetables, pepper, and all those things. Wow. And I'm taking it with just a little simple drink. This is just a lime, okay, or lemon drink. Okay, let's go straight now and try this delicious food. My first time. Kothu Parotta. Hello guys, welcome once again. So yes, it's time to try this delicious food, Kothu Parotta. Kothu Parotta. I've never tried it before. You guys can see how tantalizing it is, and you saw how they prepare it. So let me try. By the way, is this Malaysian food or I think it's Indian, right? Let me know in the comment section below. But I know you guys Malaysians eat many of these foods. So the first thing I saw here is that it has a lot of vegetables, and then pepper and everything, the chicken as well. So let's try. Wow, it's very tasty, guys. It's like you're eating nasi goreng, okay, but this time around with bread. But yeah, you know that the roti canai itself is very tantalizing. Just imagine putting all the spices together. This is so tasty. Let me try with cucumber and everything together. The chicken, oh my god. I never tried this before. I've been missing a lot, so they have all this kind of Kothu Parotta. Let's try. Guys. Wow. Like a beautiful roti canai. Very soft. No sugar taste at all here, except if you want to. If you're a lover, but I don't want it. I don't like the sweetness stuff so much. The sweet chili, this one is okay, very tasty. The lime, You guys, have you tried this food before? How do you see it? Eating roti canai like you're eating rice, like fried rice. For me, this is a special one. I will like to you guys. Delicious. Now I think invite people to the culture or to Malaysia itself. I just want to try some of their food like this food. I don't know what to say. It's just succulent and sweet, just like nasi goreng. But this time around, instead of rice, you have the roti canai. That is what you know of roti canai. You guys let me know in the comment section below the meaning of roti canai itself. I know it is bread. What roti canai? Is it thick bread? I don't know, I'm just guessing. Initially I was thinking this is vegetarian food. But I think if chicken is not there, then it can be set as vegetarian food. Am I right? I was wondering bread, spices, and all this. Where is good? We need to keep fit sometimes. We need to eat too much of rice and all those things that we do that. But yeah, bread is still something. It's roti canai. And there's egg there, guys. So it's a balanced diet. Anyway, guys, I was afraid initially to try this food because I was thinking it sounded weird, like how you going to eat bread, like you think rice, you know, that kind of thing, right? But I was actually amazed at the taste. It's really good. I love it. If I'm going to try it again, I'm going to prepare this one to normal kitchen. I definitely because this is spicy. This is not just sweet. In fact, the sugar taste is off. Normally with chana we call sugar taste more than sugar and powder. This one I think there's no sugar at all. So it's just super. I recommend it's delicious the taste you guys. Parotta, your life never is there. Again. I'm having it with normal lemon drink. This is so good. So yes guys, I think I'll recommend this Kothu Parotta for you guys, or Parotta. Let me know which one is the correct pronunciation in the comment section below. It's really nice, so tasty. You're going to love this more than the normal roti canai. If you have not tried it before, wow. What I like about Malaysian food is the creativity. I don't know if this is Malaysian food. You guys should let me know, is this Malaysian food? This Kothu Parotta, is it Malaysian food, or is it Indian, or is it Pakistan, or whatever it is, it's in Malaysia. This is Malaysian roti canai. I think roti canai is not originally from Malaysia, but they eat it, so it's automatically part of their food as well. Anyways, I love this so much. I enjoy it. And the restaurant I ate this one is very tasty. It's actually what SR Bistro around section 17 in Petaling Jaya. If you want to try it, you can come here and try their food. Their foods are so good. Give them a try, guys. And let me know how their food tastes. Anyways, till I see you next time. Stay positive, stay safe. Let anybody see your joy. I'm satisfied. It's a perfect dish. I really enjoy myself, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. What do I have to try next? Where do I want to go? I have a lot of lists, by the way, and don't worry, I'll be going there gradually. And thank you for recommending to me. Recommend more to me, more places. And we'll try our best to make this channel more interesting. Stay safe, everybody. See you enjoy. Much love and God bless you. Bye bye.